Hi, and welcome to this morning mobility flow. Let's begin on the hands and the knees. So from hands and knee position, bring your left foot up to the outside of your left hand. To increase the difficulty, you could curl your back toes under and lift your back knee. Otherwise, keeping the back knee down, reach your left elbow down along the inside of your foot. Then open up, twist, and externally rotate your arm so the palm faces forward. As you exhale, reach the elbow back down. As you inhale, twist open. 3 more times with your breath. Then with both hands down, if you have the back knee down, now lift the back knee up, hold in the stretch for 3, 2, 1. Drop the knee, take the left knee back with your knees wide enough for your ribs, stretch into extended child's pose, reach into the hands, glide forward, bring the shoulders over the wrist, tuck the buttocks, and lift through the front of the spine. Stretch back into extended. Lift the front of the rib cage so that the body is hollowed. And glide forward. Shoulders come over the wrist, tuck the buttocks, and open up through the front of the spine. Release that. Now bring the left knee forward slightly and step the right foot up to the outside of the right hand. So you're in the lunge position. Back knee down or back knee up, your choice. Reach your right elbow down as you exhale. As you inhale, twist. Turn the palm. As you exhale, reach the elbow down towards the inside of the foot. As you inhale, twist open. 3 times, flow with your breath. Notice as you slow down the breath, it might help to increase the range of motion. So you can reach just a little bit further perhaps, relax a little bit deeper into the movement. Not trying to force, just allow things to flow open through this first round. Then with both hands on the inside of the foot, lift the back knee if it wasn't on this side. Hold for 3, 2, 1, drop that back knee down, step the right knee back with the thumbs close together to increase the stretch in the armpits. Reach back into extended child's, keep a little lift in your rib cage as you stretch through the armpits. Then glide forward, bring the shoulders over the wrist, tuck the buttocks and open through the front of the spine. You might want to sink the hips further depending on the health of your lower back, but you can just work on this straight line. Glide back. Extended child's, open up through the armpits. Keep a lift in the front of the ribs. And glide forward. As you do, tuck the buttocks, stretch through the front of the pelvis, open up the collarbones. Good, release that. Now come up onto the knees. Step the left foot forward, palms forward. As you exhale, pull your left elbow back, reach, turn the palm up. And come forward. 4 times. Good, now take your left foot out to the side. With your right arm, take up into a cactus position. And as you exhale, reach your right arm up and over as you lean the hips over to the left. As you inhale, come back into cactus position, grow tall through your spine. As you exhale, lean over and reach. Inhale back up. 2 more times. Beautiful. Change sides now. Left knee down, right foot forward, palms forward. Press and reach the shoulder blades forward. As you exhale, pull your right elbow back. Turn your palm open as you reach. Inhale, forward back to palms together position. Butt tucked just slightly. Keep going now. Exhaling to pull back. And inhaling to come forward. Last one. Good. Now take the right foot out to the side a bit. Show from the front. Left elbow up into a cactus position. As you exhale, lunge to the right and reach the left arm over. Inhale to come back up. Last one. Good. Come back up. Now come back onto the hands and the knees. And we'll step the left foot straight out to the side. As you exhale, see how much you can reach your hips back towards your heel while keeping a flat back. And then take your left hand behind your head, open up and twist. Reach from your right shoulder into your right hand. Then glide forward, shoulder over the wrist, and reach your left arm to thread the needle. As you inhale, sit back again and come into the twist. As you exhale, thread through. Inhale to twist. Exhale to thread. 2 more times. Good, release. Change sides. Right foot steps out to the side. Reach back into the stretched position. Might be deeper than me. Do what feels right for your body. Open up as you twist. Inhale. Exhale, glide forward, shoulder over the wrist as you thread through. Flow with your breath 4 times. Inhale into the twist, open. Look towards the elbow. Exhale to thread the needle. Good job. Release that. Come onto the hands and the knees. Cat-cow, 5 rounds. Round through your back as you exhale. Spread through the shoulder blades. Press through the shoulder blades into the hands as you reach the buttocks towards the backs of the knees. As you inhale, flip your sit bones up. Let your spine sink through. Let your chest melt through your arms. Flowing with your breath now. Slow, steady breathing. Exhaling to round the spine. And inhale to take the spine into extension. Come to neutral. With your toes curled under, walk your hands back towards your heels. So just feel how much stretch you can put into your toes, into your feet, into your knees. Whatever angle you're able to do, this is the angle we're going to eventually practice into a squat. So don't try to force your hips deeper than what's allowed here. Now from here, can you rock back into a lifted child's pose almost? And then drop the knees, lift the heart. If not, you can just round from here. Exhale to round, maybe into the lifted position. Inhale into extension. 2 more. Good. Then from the squatting position, lift your hips up and fold forward. Hands to the shins, reach your heart, lengthen your spine. Then bring the fingertips to the floor or to blocks or even onto a chair. And then I just want you to squat as low as you can. Might be here, here, whatever you can do. It might be all the way down. And come back to the forward folded position with straight legs and a flat back. 3 more times. Inhale into the squat. Exhale to straighten the legs. Good. Now come into a rounded spine position. A forward fold. And let's roll the spine up to stand, one bone at a time. And at the top, roll your heart open, grip your buttocks down as you open up your palms, your chest towards the sky. Then roll chin to chest and roll yourself back down. Roll back up. Grip buttocks, roll shoulders open, lift your heart, and back down. Last one, roll yourself up. Grip buttocks, roll chest open, and roll back down. Walk your hands out, come into a plank position, and then I'm going to recommend that you do the whole thing one more time. Replay this video and go through the whole sequence one more round. And if you even have the time to, go through a second round. What you're going to notice is improved range of motion. You're going to feel that your body moves through with less resistance. And as a result, you're improving your mobility. Let me know how this went, this practice for you, in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this morning mobility flow so that more people on YouTube will get to see it. And thank you so much. One last thing, if you haven't already checked out the movement, what's it called? The movement community that I made, then you can click the link in the description or in the first comment to start the mobility course that I created. And you can try it for 2 weeks free to see if it's something that you like. Cancel anytime, no problem. But it will help you to improve your mobility. It'll give you a course to work from and figure out where exactly the holes are in your mobility practice to help to improve how your body flows. Have a great day. See you next time.